Two reasons why I go recommend SoundOn give you na number one, na free. In fact, more do three. Three reasons. So three reasons. Na number one, na free of charge. At least for now, na free of charge to sign up and distribute your song for free. So if you sign up with SoundOn, basically they go send you contract, you read through the contracts and sign them, and you go use either your NIN or your international passport, take verify your identity. Soon as they verify your identity, boom, you go begin to upload your song. You understand? So now be number one. You don't need to pay money. And I think they will keep 90%. No, they will keep 10%. Sorry. They keep 10% and then give you 90%, which no bad. You understand? They will keep 10% from stores that come from TikTok. Also keep, I think, 10%. But if I get that information, I will make another video on them. You understand? So, number one, free of charge. You don't need to pay. You don't need to disturb anybody and all of that. Number two, be say, na them TikTok be their in-house partner. So, na them own TikTok somehow. You understand? So more like before your song go reach, if you distribute with them, before your song go reach Apple Music or Spotify or Amazon or YouTube, you go dey TikTok. And you no wan miss out on, like, make we say, the early bird. You get my point? So your song being that them TikTok, them own TikTok, we could call them like that. So them own TikTok or TikTok own them. TikTok na their in-house partner. You understand? And we go still talk a little bit more about for the class where me and Grandfinger want to do. So me and Grandfinger will hold on seminar about this whole distribution thing, which distribution company you go use, PRO, publishing, and what do you call it, music promotion, strategies to promote your music and all of that. And number three, speaking of say na them own TikTok, your royalty go first come from TikTok. So maybe you distribute song in the month of January. Chances are in the month of February where they go one post anything will happen concerning the streamings or whatever, the TikTok own go come first because not them in-house partner. So everything we concerning that your song and how it happen for TikTok, trust me, they go see them easily. You understand? And in addition to that one, your TikTok statistics. So everybody will use your sound. From the, maybe for instance now, me now, if I use your sound, say for instance you distribute your song with SoundOn, me now can't use your sound as background to one of my videos. If you check your SoundOn and the demographics, like the areas where they use them and all those statistics things, it go likely tell you the percentage of the type of content where they use them on. So you get some sounds where I release on through SoundOn for TikTok and every other places. So for inside my insight, I feel say most people will use the songs, the sound there. Now people where they do like skincare, or people where they do fitness, or people where they do sports, or people where they do cooking. So you go fit extract all those informations from different TikTok profiles where use your sound. And tell you, say, okay, see the type of thing, see the type of people they use your sound, and so that it will just give you the idea of the type of people where they kind of create sound for, or people where, the niche where they interested more in your sound. You understand? So you no go easily see this type of details with any other distribution company, maybe like DistroKid or Ditosef. But with SoundOn, you go see them. And again, you dey get all these things for free. So at least for now, we be say now free. Then give us CapCut for free. After a while, they start to charge, put them for subscription pro and blah blah blah. You understand? So now business strategy. Get the customers first, make them feel comfortable, and then, change is constant. I they talk for Igbo. You understand? So reason all these things why I talk, if you never distribute your song, you fit try them out because again, they're free. But if you don't distribute your song and you still want check out some other distribution companies, you fit try them out. Again, this video not even be sponsored. The one why I want make una do now to sign up for our class, the class where me and Grandfinger they hold, the class we go benefit you. We be artists. The class will go benefit you about the distribution companies we go use and promo and every other thing. So we won't hold seminar on top that matter. So now here we go end this very matter for today. I do use for a comment session.